See how far I can walk back here. It looks like it might not be too available, so I'll try to find out if I can squeeze by. Of course I don't want to get crushed. Far so good. Doesn't look like much going on right here at the moment. Wow, this is cool. Let me just walk up here somewhere it's semi-safe. That's interesting. I don't think I'd be walking underneath that thing. I had a job. I worked for a company. It was a chemical company. They were lifting up a vertical tank, and there were some of us standing probably closer than I am here to that. And as it was lifting it up on one end, the cable snapped. The tank came swinging around. It wasn't too high, but hit somebody. It broke his jaw. He lost some teeth. He was lucky he wasn't killed. And I said, I think I learned something today. So is that like pile driving? I guess they're driving that hole down into the ground. Wow, look at it go. That's pretty cool. Let me walk up here a little farther. Except this might be better from a distance. Still interesting though. Whoa. Okay, so what is he doing? I guess, I'm not sure if he attaches something. Nobody yelling at me. That's a good sign. So he's holding on to that cable. I wonder what that if that thing started moving, is he strong enough to, or is he just guiding it? I guess he just guides it. Because nobody's going to be strong enough to hold on to that thing. I hope the sun's not too bright. I wonder if I could get over here at a better angle. Those must be big bolts. I guess I can walk over here. I'm afraid of that thing, but I don't see anybody on it, so I don't get too close. Am I okay here? Am I okay there? I was going to say, I hope he wasn't going to start moving that thing around. still on. Running. Wow, look at that. That's cool. Pile driving. Let's see where I get this guy in. I want to go around to the other side and get a better angle. So let me go around if I can. Okay, good, I can. Alright, I like this angle a little better than this camera. So I'm not sure exactly what that does. Here he comes walking back. So after this, I'm going to go over and ride the ferry back to the other side of the river and check it out over there. So I don't want to get stuck over there. If that thing starts working, there's no good place out of here. I think this is good enough. If I show any more, it's just going to be more of the same. So that's enough to show some of the progress. So I will get out of here. So that's what's going on. Yes. Hello. Hello. And I must be on. So people are still in business here, so if you're hungry, you can still come here and get something to eat or drink. I'll walk backwards. And there we are. Wow, look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow.
Hello, cho 5 đô.
I don't know. You want to give me money? Okay, money. Hello. Oh. Wow, look at that. He's loaded. Wow, American money. Dollars. No, that's all right. I won't take your money.
Tiền là dạo.
Thank you anyway. Maybe he just got done printing it. All right, let's see. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name?
What's your name không? Hỏi con what's your name, con tên gì? Nói con tên Ngân. Con tên Ngân.
How old are you? How old are you?
Ông hỏi con mấy tuổi?
I'm 11.
7 tuổi.
Oh, you're 7? Oh, you're big. What's your name? What's your name? My handshakes.
Con tên Binh.
How old are you? 12?
Con 9 tuổi.
All right. Good job. Good job. Goodbye.